My name is Mike Anderson. I'm a senior loan officer and owner of Reliance Mortgage Company. I've been doing this for 25 years, but prior to that, I was in the real estate business, residential real estate business for about 25, 30 years. So I've had about 50 years experience in both real estate and in the mortgage industry. And I think I know what separates us from other companies, the fact that we are not order takers. I know that you can call up any mortgage company and they're going to quote you a standard 30-year rate. They're going to charge PMI if you're not putting 20% down, and that's about what they offer. Where we actually go in and talk to a customer and find out what they're. Let me tell you, for example, let's say I run a credit report on somebody and they want to put 20% down on the house to avoid mortgage insurance, and I run a credit report and I find out they got $44,000 in credit card debt and another $15,000 in car debt. And they could pay off all that debt with putting less money down and getting a second lien behind it to avoid mortgage insurance. And it's really kind of financial planning. And the other thing is, unless you fit in the box, most of these companies, that's all you're going. If you fit in the box, fine. If you don't fit in the box, they don't want to talk to you. Which means if you got a lesser credit score, maybe a little higher debt to income ratio, maybe a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, you need to find a loan officer that'll work with you. And that's one thing. We're kind of a boutique company, quite frankly. Because we do all kind of loans. We do construction loans, we do home equity lines of credit, we do everything there is to do on a loan, where most companies they offer one product and one product only. We offer them all. I do think my loan officers that have been with me for years and years and years are very seasoned pros. They know what to look for. I also will tell you this, that probably 30% of what we get approved has been to another mortgage company that turned them down or didn't like the profile or didn't know how to do their income tax returns or how to figure their income right. It's all in the experience and the tenacity of a company to get you a loan, because the mortgage industry is really busy these days and has been busy for the last 2 or 3 years. And I think a lot of people don't want to mess with a problematic file that could be approved. It's just a lot of issues involved with it. And I think that sets us apart quite a bit from other competitors.